How to remove account on Instagram. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel How to Apps. This is me Vivian Busnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can easily remove your saved account on Instagram. Now first things first, you want to simply open up your Instagram application and where you'll be logged into your account, right? Once you're logged in here, what you want to do is you want to tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Once you do so, you should be headed into your profile. Now here what you want to do is you want to tap on the three horizontal line icon or the hamburger icon at the top right corner of your screen. Once you tap on it here, you should get an interface somewhat like this with various options. You want to simply tap on the very first option that says settings and privacy. Now on the settings and privacy, what you want to do is you want to scroll all the way down below here and you want to simply tap on log out option, and you want to switch or you want to log out of your account. Now once you're logged out, you should get an interface like this. Now you can see I have two different accounts saved here. Now similarly, if you have multiple accounts and you want to remove one of your account, or if you have a single account and you want to remove it, what you want to do is you want to tap on the settings or the gear icon at the top right corner of your screen. Simply tap on it and here you can see manage profiles option. Now tap on the profile that you wish to remove. In my case, I'll just tap on this very first here. Now here you can see remove profile option. Simply tap on remove profile option and it'll ask you for confirmation. You want to simply tap on remove and your account will be removed. So this way you can remove account or remove saved account on Instagram on iPhone. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.